Django framework. What is Django? Django is a high-level Python web development framework. Django is a high level Python web application development framework. Django is a high-level Python web application development framework that encourages rapid development that encourages rapid development rapid development and clean design and clean design. Django is a high level Python web development framework that encourages rapid development and clean design. It is designed to help developers. It is designed to help developers create robust robust scalable scalable and secure secure web applications quickly with minimal code quickly and with minimal or less code. It is designed to help developers to create robust, scalable, and secure web applications quickly and with minimal Minimal code. Next one, Django is a versatile. Django is a versatile and robust framework, robust framework for building web applications, Here, versatile means by using Django, we can develop any type of web applications like a social media website, education related websites, sports related websites, news related websites, different type of websites or web applications we can developing. Next one, its strength lies in its batteries, including approach providing everything developer needs out of the box. It providing everything. It providing everything. It providing everything a developer needs. A developer needs out of the box. Out of the box. It providing everything a developer needs out of the box from observing very clearly from database models database models next one and views to templating and the security features. It providing everything a developer needs out of the box from database models and views to templating and security features. Django follows MVT architectural architectural pattern. MVT full form model, view, templates. Other framework like a Java related framework or .NET where follow the MEC model, view, controller. Here we are follow the MVT design pattern. Django is particularly is particularly popular for building building scalable 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 means depends upon the traffic to shrinking and expanding the server, building scalable, secure and maintainable maintainable applications, maintainable web applications, web applications quickly quickly with less code. Django is particularly popular for building scalable, secure, and maintainable web applications quickly with the less code. It is used by a variety of large scale sites. It is used by variety variety of variety of large scale sites, large scale sites, large scale sites, including including Instagram, Pinterest, Pinterest, Discuss, Discuss, and so many more sites are implemented by using Django framework. It is used by variety of large scale sites including Instagram, Pinterest, Discuss, Bitbucket, Bitbucket, Bitbucket. Okay. Next one, NASA website. Okay, different websites are implemented by using our Django framework. Django framework. Instagram, Pinterest, Discuss, Bitbucket, NASA. Okay, different websites are implemented by using Django framework. This is about Django. If anybody any doubt, please clarify your doubts. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.